core system libraries failing because of the Negotiation Extension Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start the walkthrough for Negotiation Extension Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Negotiation Extension Library, the SPNEGO Simple and Protected GSSAPI Negotiation Mechanism, Authentication Library. It handles the negotiation of security protocols for networked services. If missing, users will be unable to log into corporate domains or access shared network drives, often receiving a Logon failure. The target account name is incorrect error. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scannow into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Negotiation Extension Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Negotiation Extension Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Negotiation Extension Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing Negotiation Extension Library and maintaining system health. If you've regained access to Negotiation Extension Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.